Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed. In today's video, we'll be talking about the causes of Disney Plus error code 83 and how to fix it. But first, what does Disney Plus error code 83 mean? The Disney Plus error code 83 means that you're having difficulties connecting to the server. This is a common problem among Disney Plus users. This error may occur due to server congestion or incompatibility with your device. The following are some of the common causes of Disney Plus error code 83. Poor internet connection. A poor internet connection is one of the most common causes of this error code. A bad Wi-Fi connection or mobile data can trigger Disney Plus error code 83. Device incompatibility. You could be using a device or browser that's not compatible with Disney Plus. That means the graphics or design don't align with Disney Plus. Server congestion. Issues with the server can trigger the Disney Plus error code 83. The server issue is usually out of your control. If you find it's the cause, you can contact support for help. The contact information varies from different regions. Now, let's look at the best solutions that you can use to fix Disney Plus error code 83. Check your device compatibility. The Disney Plus error code 83 also appears when your device is not compatible with the service. Disney Plus has published an official compatibility list containing all the devices that can comfortably use the service. If you're using a device that's not on the list, consider upgrading to continue enjoying your Disney Plus subscription. Alternatively, you may want to check if your device is compatible before you purchase the Disney Plus subscription. Check your internet connection. This error often appears when people are using mobile data to stream shows on Disney Plus. The same problem is likely to happen if you stream through a Wi-Fi hotspot. Disney Plus works best with a strong Wi-Fi connection. If you're experiencing Wi-Fi downtime, start by restarting your router. The problem may self-correct once the Wi-Fi is back on. Check the Disney Plus server. You can use the down detector for Disney Plus to check if you're having server issues. This feature lets you know if the service is working normally. If it's not, try uninstalling the app and reinstalling it again. Make sure that you download the latest version of the app to avoid similar issues. Please note that removing the app will delete all the content that you've been downloading. However, that might fix the error. Check your browser. Sometimes the problem could be as simple as using the wrong web browser. Again, Disney Plus has a list of web browsers compatible with the service. Download the correct browser and sign back into your Disney Plus account to see if the error is fixed. Thanks for watching.